guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami fearsome predator. It's a cool critter with a sting on its tail. It uses its sting to catch prey. It eats insects like grasshoppers, spiders, mouses. I will give you 5 seconds to guess the predator. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you have guessed it right. This is the furious predator. It's a scorpion. This is what I'm going to show you in today's origami tutorial. So hop on and let's make this cool looking critter named the scorpion. To make an origami scorpion, you only need a square sheet piece of paper. Let's start making it. Okay, to make the origami scorpion, you need a square piece of paper. Now you want to fold it in all directions. So first what we want to do is make an X. Then after we made the X, we want to make a plus. So now it's time for step number 2. Now you want to press in the middle. Taking these two lines, you want to make it into a diamond. Turn it from the square, just turn it to make it into a diamond. And just take these two lines and fold it into, and then fold it into the middle line. So fold one and fold the another. Now you want to fold it in and then you want to squash it down. Now you want to turn it around, fold it into a triangle and fold the other way into the triangle. Fold this down and then you want to unfold, and that is supposed to be step number 2. Now you want to unfold and then turn this over. Now after you turn it over, take this to the middle like you did before. And now you want to do the same. Now you want to fold this down, crease and then unfold all. Step number 3. Unfold, open it and do the boat fold and do a boat. Make a boat. Then you want to squash the boat down. Now you want to turn it over and then open up the first flap. It'll stop where you put the big triangle. But the big triangle ends, for me it's here, so it'll stop right there. Then you want to pull this down. Just make sure its edge is proper. Step number 4. Now you want to fold this down and fold the other one down also. Turn it around and then do the same. Now you want to close the windows like this. So you want to fold, Close the windows there and close the windows there. It is kind of hard to do it at first because these don't want to do that, but with you maybe know this, but practice makes perfect. Yes, you all know this, I'm sure. Now you want to. This is going to be the hands. This is going to be the head, and also this part is also going to be the tail. Step number 5, hand folding time. So to make the hands, you want to open this up and you want to fold it till max. You want to fold this out till maximum, then close it. Now you want to open this up and it is the other part of the hand. And now you want to do the same with this one. So open it up, turn it all the way up till max or maximum, and then fold this part up. Let it take enough room, And now you have done making the hands. Are you ready to make the body? Here we go. So to make the body, you want to fold this around and pull this up. Then you want to take this tip and fold it till the end there. Then you want to do the same by taking this tip and folding it there. And then you want to fold this till here. So to fold this and fold it till there. Now you want to fold this whole thing down. You want to turn it around and then you want to make the tail. This is the head. Now I'm going to make some segments on the tail. So to make the segments, you can see this reference mark right here. One line. You want to put your thumb finger there, and then you want to fold that up and then unfold and then crease it. And then you want to do the same here. So put your thumb, fold this and make another segment. Do the same, thumb and make a segment. Now you just need to repeat that. So you can stop after it's at least small, like your pinky finger. Now you need to unfold it. Usually scorpions have a curl in their tail. So to make that curl, you want to put your thumb in the middle and just curl it up. Just put both of your fingers and then curl it up, point it upwards, and then just crease, just press it, and then it will be pointing upwards, and that's the end of your scorpion model. my scorpion. Isn't it scary? I hope you enjoyed this video. Click here to subscribe to me or click any of these two videos to watch another video of mine. Click that thumbs up button and for now bye.